Okay, so I already have 2 videos on YouTube of me burping, and yet I still get messages saying, "Oh, you're fake. Oh, you can't burp. Blah 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 blah." And guess what? Does this sound fake? That little baby burp? Does that sound fake? No. No, 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 no. What do you want me to do? Burp your name? Alright, I'll burp my name. Okay? My name's Sarah. That's S-A-R-A with an H. Sarah. Get the H in there. Alright, so we're gonna burp. You ready? Excuse me while I work one up.
Sarah!
Yeah. What now? Didn't think so. Okay, I'll do another one for you guys. Okay? Just so you can suck my big toe, yeah? Alright. Yeah, buddy.